Hello students, next construction. Draw a triangle with side AB equals to 6 cm, BC 9 cm and angle ABC 55 degree. Draw a parallelogram equal in area to that triangle having an angle 60 degree and length of one side is half of AC. Okay. So first we will draw 6 and 9. 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Then one angle 55 degrees. So we will draw equal angle. So here I am drawing 55 with protractor. Draw any line. Then place your protractor here and 55. Fifty-five, yeah. This is my 55 degree. Then we have to construct the triangle AB 6 cm, BC 9 cm. Okay. Then take any line of any measurement. From here, BC 9 centimeter. Take 9 centimeter radius and draw here an arc. 9 centimeter I have cut. BC, name it BC. And AB 6 centimeter, angle ABC 55 degree. Okay, first I have to draw 55 degree equal angle at the point B. Clear? So what to do? You will place your compass over here, then draw any arc, then same arc draw here, placing your compass at B. Over. Then inside measurement take accurately. Then from here you cut. I have got 55. Now join. Then AB 6 centimeter. Take measurement 6 centimeter. Then what to do? From here, from B, cut 6 centimeter. Name it A, this point. Then we'll join A and C. So I have got the required triangle ABC, where this angle is 55. Write down. This angle 55 degree, angle ABC 55 degree, side AB 6 centimeter and side BC 9 centimeter. Then you have to draw a parallelogram equal in area to that triangle having an angle 60 degree and length of one side is half of AC. That means your parallelogram will be on this base AC. Clear? So you can turn your page in this way or your copy in this way. Then you have to bisect AC. You know how to bisect? More than half you take, bisect AC. It is bisected here. Name of this point is D. Clear? It is bisected here. Then what is left? You have to draw an angle 60 degree and a parallelogram. That means parallel line you have to draw. Clear? Then parallel line, this is your base. So through B I have to draw a line which is parallel to AC. Then you place your compass at C. I am placing at A. Then what is the opposite side of A? BC. So take the measurement of BC. Then place here at A. Then draw an arc. Clear? Then I will place my compass at C. At C it will not come. So if I place at B, then I will take AC as the opposite side. Place at B. It is coming or going out? Very difficult, it is going out. Okay. Again placing at A, taking BC. They have met here. Now A and that intersecting point join. We have to draw here B. B and that intersecting point will join. Now see, we have got parallel line AC and name it PQ. So AC and PQ, they are parallel. Then 60 degree you have to draw at D. So here you draw 60 degree. For this side I am drawing this side. Any side you can draw, left or right. Then joining with D. Okay. Then take this part, side AD, and from here where that 60 degree line meets the parallel line, then cut from here. Then join A and that. So we have got the parallelogram. Its name DA. This is E and this is F. Clear? So what I have done, repeating. First this. 50 degree with the help of protractor drawn here, and 6 and 9 centimeter with the help of ruler. Then taken the base, any line you have taken, then from here cut BC 9 equal to 9 centimeter. Clear? Then equal angle we have drawn at the point B. Then from this line we have cut AB equals to 6 centimeter. Then I have joined A and C. I have got the required triangle ABC. Clear? The next part. It is told that half of AC. So you can turn your copy in this way. Then you bisect AC. You know how to bisect? You bisect AC. Then at the point D, you have bisected here. Draw 60 degree. Either this side or this side. Any side you can draw 60 degree. I have drawn right side. Then 60 degree D and that intersecting point join and extend the line. Then parallel line we have to draw. So to do that, what I have done, I have placed compass at A, then taken opposite side BC equal to length equal to BC. Then I have drawn one arc. Then I have placed at B and taken length equal to AC. Then I have drawn another line. They have intersected here. Then B and that intersecting point join and extend. So I have got a line PQ which is parallel to AC. Clear? After that, then this part equal DA equals, take length DA and from here 60 degree. Be careful, don't cut from here. Where 60 degree line meets, from there you have to cut. From there cut. So F and E. So your parallelogram is FDAE. Clear? So a parallelogram FDAE is constructed whose area is equal to the area of the triangle having an angle 60 degree and length of one side is half of AC. So statement you will write from your question. Clear? It will be given there. You have not to memorize anything. Now next one in next video.